everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, FLP. How are you guys? And I missed you all. For those people who miss me, I am so back, guys. Join me up until the end.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we show.
Hey everyone, FL Alvira here, your global influencer. For today's video, guys, I am going to share with you, of course, my story time. For those of you who missed me, I'm not supporting any live stream once in a while, but I've been away for almost months already that I've been away every morning, and tuwing gabi lang po ako bumabalik. Yes, hindi na po ako makikita doing a live stream anymore, but once in a while I do PG, but then it's so minimal for you supporting you guys. Pero nandiyan lang po ako sa tabi-tabi. I'm not gone. Nandito lang po ako sa tabi-tabi, guys. Don't you worry. But then, thank you so much to my Team LC family and to our lovely admin, Black Watsera, Kusinera, and to all my teammates, to all the teams who supported and hugged FL Liera, to all the OFWs, to all our foreign friends, and everyone, friends, relatives, and family around the world, not just local guys, but around the world. Thank you so much, guys, for the love and support. Nandiyan lang po ako sa tabi, hindi po ako nawawala. Nagpapahinga lang po for the meantime. And you know already that I'm facing anxiety, and the good thing about what I'm doing right now is it really helps, like doing my favorite sport, which is playing badminton. And yes, it is a big help already, but I'm still here, guys. I'm still here. I'm still FL Alvira. Hindi ko po nakakalimutan, but then so minimal supporting every live stream we have. So, nandiyan lang po ako sa tabi-tabi. Hindi po ako nawawala. And salamat po sa inyo because I've been away for almost month already, but then you are still there supporting my channel. And thank you so much for the love and support. And to all my channel members, kahit hindi so minimal po akong makapag-support back sa inyo, but it's okay. Thank you so much po, and thank you very much because it is a big help to my channel, for being my channel member, for being my members. Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat. And dyan lang po ako sa tabi-tabi and just continue healing myself to be okay. And it is a big help. Hindi na po ako umiiyak. Hindi ko na umiiyak, pero naiiyak. Ano siya yung basta kung yung nakikita mo, diba? So relaxes my face. Kasi I love the sports that I'm doing. I love it. And it makes me happy. It makes me well. It makes me healthy as always because ito po talaga yung love ko na sport. Maliban po sa running and swimming. So, dito po talaga ako na maraming friends Marami po akong friends dito na mga veterans na po. And yes, pag nakikita ko po sila for the longest time, I guess 6 or 5 years or more, pag nakikita ko po sila is parang nag-reminisce po ako na to see them back playing, to see them na seniors na sila, and then same with me na nasa early 50s pa, going to senior soon. But then, I am so happy seeing them playing still badminton, di ba? Nakakabata kasi po yung pag-play ng badminton. And it is not that easy to play badminton, guys, kasi you need to like exercise, you need to like have a stretch, you need to do some workouts, kasi hindi po siya madali, especially ito po lagi yung ginagamit niyo. And pag mali po yung gamit, if you are doing the wrong way of playing badminton, mas sasakit po yung dito niyo. So, there's a proper stretching for that, a proper exercise for that, and for you not to get injured. Diba? So, ayan. To those people na na-miss po ako, dito lang po ako. And napapahinga lang po ako. And siguro kasi parang when I'm at home, ako, I feel like I'm not okay. I feel like I was detained. I was in prison. But now, I'm so happy that I have friends here and I have a new home. I have new friends, old friends. Basta, iba po yung bigay masaya sa akin when it comes to like playing my favorite sport. And kayo din naman, di ba guys? Basta healing for anxiety or depression. And it regards to mental health, guys, is out there talaga po yung nakakatulong. Out there po talaga is a big help, nature, and meron po kayo nakakausap na friends na hindi siya na organic, na tunay na minamahal ka. Wala ka ng pera, pero nandyan sila like sa'yo. Diba? And big shoutout po sa aking mga friends dito. Big shoutout po kay Chichay, kay Chi Calderon, kay Jums, kay Japet, kay Tendon, kay Ronald. Ayun, and of course, to the Feeling Masters, Andy and Mix. Big shoutout po and big shoutout po sa FBB friends. All the fighter badminton buddies, big shoutout po sa inyo lahat. At sa lahat po nang naglalaro sa Smart. And big thanks po sa inyo lahat. And big shoutout sa owner as well, Richard Ayos. Thank you so much po. Big shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Sana wala po ako nun. Sa lahat po nang naglalaro dito sa Smart Chat, big shoutout po sa inyo. Sa lahat ng mga coaches na nandito, yung nag-training sila. Nandiyan pa ako, kumukuha po ako ng clips. Kasi natutuwa po ako sa mga bata na tinitry. Kasi instead of playing like cellphone every day, they're here to like for a training, diba? So, natutuwa po ako sa kanila kasi nasi-shift po yung kanilang mind to playing ba. So, ayan. So, that would be all for today, guys. And salamat po. As always, dyan lang po ako sa tabi-tabi. Hindi po ako nawawala. And just right in every corner. Right in every corner. And thank you everyone dahil hindi po kayo nawawala. Supporting FLE here as always. And basta, I will be back. But for now, I'm just enjoying the things that makes me happy, the things that makes me well, the things that makes me smile, happy, contented, sweat, burn calories, and I gain friends as well, not just local but around the world. Thank you so much sir, sa aking MWF friends na kalaro ko dito and to my TTHS friends as well. Basta shout out po Smart Shot Badminton and Sports Center. And if you want to look for a badminton place near in Manila, it's in Agoncillo Street, Ermita, Manila. So this is very accessible, guys. Whether you ride in LRT, a jeepney, a bus, or wherever, northeast, west, east, basta south pala, north, south, east, west. Ayan. It is just nearing to that place. It is so accessible wherever you are. Kaya, Smart Chat, Badminton and Sports Center, guys. Try to play there, guys. Ma-amaze po kayo sa lugar nila. Dati po naman, diba? So clean and there's starting nyo naman so clean. Even the CR and all the staff are so friendly and even the players, guys. And yes, and thank you so much po sa inyong lahat and sa lahat ng Team LC family ko. Maraming salamat. At ngayon lakot-sarang kusinera. Ang aking sisi ko ay Agnes Vlad. At sa lahat po sa inyo, Jamila Adalas, namusula ako. Joke. At sa lahat po ng channel members ko, big shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Basta, hindi pa ako nawawala. Nandiyan lang po ako sa tabi-tabi, guys. And I missed you all and I do hope na iintindihan niyo po ako kung ano po ako ngayon. Pag okay na po ako, I will. So, that will be all for today, guys. And thank you so much for the love and support as always to Ethel and I'm going to see you soon, guys. Basta, kita-kits po tayo sa inyong mga videos, sa inyong mga vlogs, sa inyong mga contents. Basta, hindi pa ako 24/7 na nakasupport, guys, ha. I'm on the healing process, guys. Kaya, sana maintindihan niyo po. Pag-vlog niyo po ako, naiintindihan niyo po ako. So, that will be all for today, guys, and I will see you again. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Ethel. I will see you in the next video. Ethel here. Bye, guys.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Aliera here is signing off.